Hey guys, and welcome to this video tutorial. We're going to be using Adobe Dreamweaver today and going over how to use CSS class styles. What I'm going to do real quick, just create a new document, file new, blank page HTML with no layout. All we need for this example. If I go ahead and type some sample text here, and then I'm also going to type, I want this word to appear bold and in orange. Okay, now CSS, as we know, in our CSS styles panel over here on the right hand side, you click new CSS rule. We've been working with ID selector types to create and style our div tags. We want to take a look at creating a class style type and give it a selector name. I'm going to give this a selector name of orange, and you have to precede your selector name in a class style with a period. So period orange, and hit OK. Okay, CSS rule definition dialog box appears. What I want to do is change the type. I'll go ahead and change the font family, the font weight. I'll go bolder, and then color, I want to choose an orange, and hit OK. Now, to actually apply this to something, what I need to do is highlight the word orange. Down here in our properties inspector, you'll see there's a flyout menu or drop down menu for class. You can see orange, which we just created. If I choose that, you can see that that CSS class style applied only to the word orange. If I highlighted, a little bit other text, doesn't even have to be full words, you can go change that style there as well. Okay, so the class styles are pretty versatile. You can use them on individual words, parts of words, whatever the case may be there. Okay, let's try one more as an example here. I'll go ahead and type the text. I want to align this text to the center of the page. Okay, quick note here as well. Even if you're working inside an ID div tag, you can use class selectors inside there as well. Okay, that's a little more complicated. We'll get into that as we get into our projects here. Alright, so same process. You can see that I've got the orange class style in there already. I'm going to go ahead and create a new CSS rule class, so I'm going to type period center text. Okay, I'll go straight to the block category, align this to the center of the page, hit apply. If you wanted to do anything else, change the color, whatever, you can do that as well. If I wanted to jump in here and change this to red, I can do that as well. So apply, OK. You can see I've got the center text rule there as well. If I go ahead and highlight this, hit center text, there you go. Okay, you can go to the code view, check out the CSS here as well, see exactly what's going on there, and it also includes the reference to your CSS here as well, center text class type. Alright, so that's just a brief intro on how to use class tags, CSS, and you can get pretty detailed with it, so feel free to explore. I mean, it's pretty powerful and an effective means of styling inside your div tags. We'll see you next tutorial.